Alright, traffic is at a standstill. We're almost to the entrance of South Seas, so I'm not for sure what's going on. Never seen this before. So there's Dock Fords on the right. There's a bunch of little gift shops on here to the left. There's also a little grocery store. Very, very little. Don't normally shop there. And I don't know if it's there. To get into South Seas, they do have like a gate and you have to check in. I don't know if it's backing up because everyone's checking in. It's very peculiar. Alright, we just checked in, so the check-in is right once you pass through the gate. The gate backup was because of, I guess since it's Friday afternoon, everyone's coming to check in. It was crazy. I've been here like 10 years ago numerous times. My husband's been here numerous times. It has never been backed up. I don't know what that was about. Here is a huge map of, so as you can see, South Seas Island Resort is pretty big. We are right here. Our room is all the way down here. They do actually have a trolley, and there's numerous trolley stops, so that is pretty cool. We'll probably use the trolley a lot if we decide to come back and eat Dock Fords or do a bike rental or whatever, but we are all the way down here, so
2 miles away.
2 miles. That's quite a bike ride. All right, I'm gonna record this 2-mile drive. South Seas also has a lot of timeshares and condos. We have stayed at a condo before. This trip, it is strictly a hotel room. So a lot of people own property. So when you check in, they ask if you're staying in a timeshare or if you're staying in one of their hotels. We have rented a condo from a private owner before. This time we're actually renting directly from South Seas, and it'll be the first time. So anyway, there's a lot of cottages, there's a lot of condos. It's a pretty big place. I think there's three pools, there's a marina. We wanted to be near the marina so Robert can go fishing. And you can rent bikes. I don't know that we're gonna rent bikes because it's like supposed to rain and it's also 98 degrees. The weather is definitely a lot warmer than when we were here in May. The other bad thing is when we were here in May, we stayed at the West Wind Inn and bike rental was part of the room. Here it's $20 a day, or you rent for your whole trip for like $27, $7 a day, but you have to keep it the whole trip. So since we're here for 4 days, we could get the bike for the whole week for $27. So yes. And there's a lot of golf carts. A lot of golf carts.
It's really annoying.
It's a little annoying.
I gotta say, it's kind of annoying. At least used to all be palm trees through here though. Until that big hurricane came and got rid of them all.
Oh yeah, there's water right there. So I think we're gonna skip the bikes this time. Don't think it's necessary.
I think it's
a lot of kids.
There is a lot of kids. What's up with that?
A lot of kids. Well, I mean, I meant just driving those golf carts.
Yeah, I don't understand.
I don't know. It's definitely a little more busy than I was expecting, but that's okay. Do these people rent these golf carts? Or are they like private owner people? I don't remember there being tons of golf carts, but it's been.
I don't either.
It's been 11 years.
actually read some reviews where people don't like the golf carts.
Really?
They think that people are rude in them. They're rude and they take up the roadway and all that stuff. So I don't know. I have no idea. Just read some weird reviews about people in golf carts. I have no idea. I don't see the point of it, but I don't know where you have to go constantly. You know what I mean?
That a golf cart is necessary.
Yeah.
I don't know. Here's a tennis court. Maybe they just like driving up and down the road. I mean, it's not like there's restaurants along the way. I wish there was.
Yeah. There's some at the end. Tell my ass there is.
Yes, there is restaurants at the end.
But I don't know if they're open.
Yeah, it's... yeah. So these are all timeshare buildings. Lots of timeshare buildings and houses. It's not all condos. These are definitely houses. Very nice, big houses. And there is beach. There's a long beach. See, it's a really long beach. Captiva cruises parking. We've been on a Captiva cruise to Cabbage Key. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. And isn't that where you turn?
That's for the one condo we stayed at. Yeah, that is a turn. Yes, that is one turn. We're actually staying. So this is now we're getting into the resort section. And there I can see the Captiva cruises boat over there. Oh, we might do a cruise. I don't know, because the weather, you never know. Hopefully there's some manatees this trip. And then...
Very busy.
Very busy. Harborside Restaurant. Alright, I'm going to turn this... We're not for sure where to park. This is our room 1817. Immediately walking in, I'm excited. We're right on the marina, which is what I wanted. Yay. Last time we were on the other side over there. So this is pretty exciting. And they did mention because of COVID, they will not clean the room, but if you need more supplies, just call them and they'll bring them to your room. Like if I needed fresh towels or shampoo and stuff, I'm not really worried about that. We do have a small fridge, thank goodness, because we got orange juice. So, let's see. Toiletry is orange. That looks nice. Oh my god, yay! This bathtub is huge. That's pretty cool. I like that. Coffee pot, closet, a little refrigerator. We did ask for a queen or king. I got it. Yay! All right. Are you happy with the room location?
It's nice.
I'm very happy.
I'm gonna walk out and look at it. See what I can do.
All right. I'm very happy with our room, 1817. I remember that because everything's charged to your room. We're gonna go find the restaurant they have here. Early dinner. I want to walk the beach, but I'm really hungry. So food wins out.
Home of the $25 cheeseburger.
Is that how much the cheeseburger?
Yeah, $25.
$25 cheeseburger.